watch. Why is it not loading? What? Click again. Click. Why not working? Okay, anyway. Not working. Let's see how many views they have. Why did I get Southern? Why is the Junior though? He's the youngest of the two siblings. Okay. What? He's all over YouTube. What? I can make a YouTube channel. Okay. Hi, there's my channel. Let's just click on that. Look at it. It's my channel. Procrastinate. No videos. Wow. Make a video now. Dad, you have a camera. Dad, you have a camera. Why? You won't let me make a YouTube channel, so... Oh, I need to take some selfies. Why? 'Cause for fun. No. What? No. I'll steal a bag of marshmallows. I'll kill you if you do that. I'll steal the bag of marshmallows if you don't give me a camera. Fine, I don't have a camera. Take this iPad. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! I think I just broke it. Hey! I got my camera ready. Yeah! Whoa! Okay, let's get our video on. Okay, guys, this is my YouTube channel. I just started it, so yeah. Yeah, I'm Iggy, and I don't know what I'm doing today. Okay, I think I'll react to videos on YouTube first. Okay, time to get the YouTube ready. I found the video. Let's click on it. Okay, let's start the video. Turn the volume up. Hey guys, here's the first video we're going to be reacting to. This is stupid. It's just music. Whoops, wrong thing. I think it's a music video. Isn't this? That's my life. Maybe their life is made out of music. I don't know. Whatever it is, I don't really care. I'm getting the volume down. Caw-caw. What? Uh-oh. What? Didn't know. What? That's a beautiful lady. Yeah. Came, yay. I love Came. Let's do a different video. Okay, here's the next video. I found this guy called Purple Shepio. I don't know his name. Why is he so ugly? Sure. In the Q&A. Figure out why it's ugly. No! That's stupid. It's just a bunch of people. Hey guys, we're like back. This is a stupid video. Purple Shep sucks. That has nothing to do with sheep anyway. This is like a sheep from the picture. This is Rice Krispies. Why? This sucks. It's stupid. Oh, wait.
Hello, my name is Purple. This is my utopia.
It's scary. He sounds weird.
You are thinking, man, I'm really hungry. But I know what you're also thinking. How did
I'm stopping the video. pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time in the next video. It's a beautiful toaster there. Yeah. Okay, I'm done my first video. Now let's upload it. Okay, I'm gonna edit. I can choose a hot girl. Right there. Would you press it? Cool. What's that? Cool. Let's mess around. Whoa. What's this? Let's click on it. Whoa. So this button is a music beautiful note. Sound effects. Cool. Sound effects this is. That random one right there. I just farted. Oh, I love farts. What do we do? It's a xylophone. I don't know. Let's put that in the middle of the video. Now let's watch it. Whoa, let's go. No, we don't need to watch a video because that's stupid. We only need to upload it. Because uploading is cool. Let's upload it. Okay. Name it. Okay. Let's go. Iggy's first video. Yeah, I'm the best speller in the world. IGESFURSTVIDEO. It's first video. Yeah! Whoa, I'm the best speller ever. No, you're a stupid speller. You only spelled one word right. Liar, let me. You're a liar. Anyway, let's upload it.